How to use future radar to predict weather trends. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use future radar to predict weather trends. So now let's get started. First of all, download a weather app such as the Weather Channel or AccuWeather from the Play Store. After that, open the app and select the Radar tab. Now tap on All Layers and tap on 24-hour Future Radar. This feature displays moving weather patterns over time, such as storms or precipitation. Use the timeline slider to view the forecast for the next few hours or days. You can also observe how storms, rain, or snow progress to anticipate upcoming weather changes. So that's it. That's how to use future radar for tracking weather trends. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.